look at this. Apart from my 1800s shilling, English shilling, this would have to be my next best find. Look at that. That is just beautiful. The National Cash Register Company, Dayton USA. How about that? Wow. That is just beautiful. It's quite heavy. Look at that. And it wasn't all that deep either. That's just a beautiful relic. Absolutely gorgeous. I wonder what year that was from. I don't know whether the 14.9 means anything, or is that February 14? It says 93, so it might be February 14, 1893. Wow, I wonder if it's that old. 1893. Wow, I'll have to Google that when I get back. Thanks for looking.